Oh, hello, welcome to my show on YouTube. Yeah. Oh, that's a lot. Hey. Ooh. No. Yeah, we can fix it. Here we go. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yes, that's way better. How are you doing, YouTube? My name is Paul Lewis. It's been a while. I haven't done any developer relations type stuff for a good long while, and I've been missing it. Honestly, I've been missing connecting with people, talking web dev, and it's not my job anymore. But there's always YouTube, and there's always you lovely folks out there. So I thought, why not? Why not? Let's just do a channel. Why not? So we could do tutorials, just talk to people, just have a bit of chat, just, leave your comments below, actually. If there's anything you want me to cover, anything you want me to get into, I'm more than happy to try and do some of that. But I have a whole heap of content lined up that I want to do anyway. So that's yes. So if you're interested, subscribe below. You can even ring the little bell thing if you want notifications. Ding, 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 ding. And give it a thumbs up if you haven't done that. That's always, if you like it. No pressure. No pressure. And I will catch you in the first episode. Oh yeah. The little red battery icon is flashing. I think it might be low. Well, let's hope it doesn't cut out.